rise and look around you, and you see just who you are. On that clear day, how it will astound you that the glow of you being outshines every star. You feel part of every mountain, sea and shore. You will hear from far and near a word you've never heard before. On that clear day, on that clear day, you will see forever and evermore. When you're smiling, when you're smiling, the whole